Hi guys! Today we gonna learn to aesthetic pen box making with paper and blank tissue. Easy paper pen box making DIY paper crafts. So you need some required materials. First you have to take a red color paper in a blank toilet tissue box.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Wrap it roundly by the red color paper. Now cut it by a rectangular sized measurement using pencil and scale. Attach some glue properly on the tissue box. Finally wrap it roundly by the red color paper. Cut its rest body with a scissor and attach it. Now take a paper hardboard and cut its corner. Wrap it by glue properly as like showing on the screen. Now attach some glue on the bottom of the tissue box and attach it on the paper hardboard. Make some flour and attach it with glue near the bottom of the tissue box. Okay, now see how beautiful of you're making things. So by this you can make more aesthetic pen box making with paper and blank tissue. Easy paper pen box making DIY paper crafts.